Hi friends, this video is created to make you understand what I usually share in this PDF format. Actually, there is a limit to share it in the Excel format because some comparative studies cannot be done in that way. That is why I have given in the PDF format. Okay. This is the data of BSE plus NSE data, NSE shares which are traded in both exchanges on the same day. If any one of the share is not traded in any of the exchanges, or it is traded only in one exchange, will never be calculated in this. Okay, still it comes around above 90% of the delivery and other data. So let me explain what are the information which I have shared in this thing, this PDF format. I have segregated according to industries: two-wheelers, advertisement and media, aerospace, agrochemicals, like almost 130, approximately 130 industry. So the information given is the close price on the date on which it is published. Then comes delivery turnover. Delivery turnover, as I explain every time, it is nothing but average price into delivery quantity included from both the exchanges. Okay, 2 days means latest days delivery turnover. Then 1 week, what was the delivery turnover? 1 month, what is the delivery turnover? Average of 3 months, on an average of how much is the delivery turnover happening in that particular share, and 1 year. Similarly, delivery percentage, that everybody knows. Then comes average trade order. The average trade order is nothing but the total turnover divided by number of trades. By calculating it, I want to understand how much is the amount in a single trade. On an average, how much in a single trade happened. Whether if this amount is quite high with the delivery percentage and high delivery turnover, I have seen that unwinding happens over a period of time, because some people with a huge amount is in a single trade, they have infused money into that particular share, and now the price changes over same period. Latest day, 1 week, 1 month. Some of the shares may be missing because this data is taken from my technical data. So there is a chance of if like Jubilee Pharmacova, the share is not listed. I mean, the technical data is not available in my database. So definitely that will be missing, apart from BSE plus NSE, the condition which I told. And what is the market cap of that company? Okay, these are the information given in this. And what I want to see is that, is there any improvement over 1 year or 3 months or the one? See, like whenever the value is more than the previous period, 1 year average is 26%. This is 31%. Next is 35%. So this will turn into green if there is an improvement from the previous period. So from here you will understand that there is a demand for that particular share. So last 1 week for Tata TVS Motor, if you see, check it, on an average 45 crore used to be in delivery. Now it has come to 93. At the same time, the delivery percentage also improved from 35% to 49%. Average trade worth also increased. So this is what I want to check it. And moreover, one more thing which I keep checking is the improvement in the delivery turnover in that particular industry. Many times industry shifting, smart money flow changes from industry to industry. So from 1 year, is there any improvement, or 3 months, is there any improvement, whether it is in the increasing trend or not? That is what I keep tracking it. I'll show you some of the indices wherein we can say aluminum. For last 1 year, that delivery was of 446. Now it is in the increasing trend from the last 3 months. So, and delivery percentage also has improved, but on 1 or a day, the delivery percentage may not be that much. So it is also in the increasing trend. Some more we will hunt for it. This is one more example. Like on an average, 3,300 crore comes into bank, 36 banks, and now last day it is 3,899, and the delivery percentage is considerably increased from 39% average to 41%. So we can assume that there is an improvement in the banking industry shares demand, and from here itself we can find out in which bank the improvement has happened. Okay, likewise, if you go down, some of the industries will be clearly visible, like 153%. Breweries and distilleries, from 153 crore it has come to in last 3 months there is an accumulation. It gives a hint that there is an accumulation, and the delivery percentage is also improving. So this is what I keep checking in this. Many a times we will, since the color is changing, it will catch your eyes, and ultimately you will be able to find which industry is in the increasing trend of demand. Say consumer electronics from 185 crore to 273 crore our yearly average. So 40% to 42% it has increased. So this is a progressive improvement in the data, and Voltas being a leader in this. So this is what I wanted to share. It's a small video. I think you understood. And even one more thing which I left is the last information. So on an average, 25,000 crore comes into delivery in a year, but now it is the money coming into delivery is lesser than what is yearly average. Delivery percentage is more. So that calculation is also done in this. I think this video will be helpful to you for your analytical approach to market. Thank you so much.